Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm stir frying garlic stems with shallots. So let's review the ingredients. This here is a garlic stem, and it's also known as garlic scapes. And it grows straight but eventually curls up. And this is a stem from the garlic bulb. And it has a really nice mellow, sweet garlic flavor. I have a piece of shallot, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. For the prep, we'll cut the garlic stems. And we can trim off a little bit off the end like you would for asparagus. And we'll cut it into like 2-inch sections. And since it's curly, you may want to open it a little bit. You can break off some of the curly parts that you can't get with the knife. Okay, so that's done. Next, let's cut the shallot. We'll cut it into like 1/4-inch slices. Okay, so that's it for the prep. Let's start cooking. Okay, have the pan set at a medium-high heat. We'll add oil. We'll add the shallots first. We'll cook this for about 30 seconds. Add the garlic stems. We'll add the seasoning salt, white pepper, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and hit it with the Shaoxing wine. Cover it and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Okay, uncover it. You don't want to overcook this. You want it to have a slight crunch. Okay, so this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. And here we have a gorgeous plate of stir-fry garlic stems with shallots. It's quite tasty and it's excellent eating. The texture is similar to eating long beans, but it has a smooth, mellow, sweet garlic flavor. Garlic stem is in season right now, so if you see it at the farmer's market, pick it up and give it a try. I think you'll like it. And giving garlic to your dogs is a no-no, so Shadow is sitting this one out. So you'll have to trust me on this. It's delicious. Enjoy!